Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a little bit of work, starting with replacing the heating element gasket and the flanges of the machine as well. And we also had to tighten the base to make sure it's really nice and steady. As you can see, looks great. And we also did a tune-up, replacing all the gaskets that you see here, deep clean everything inside it. Basically, it's assembled the whole machine and clean everything. Yeah, that's all what we did. We replaced these gaskets from here, and here as well. This one we also clean and make sure it's working properly and sealing. As you can see, there's no steam coming out or anything like that. You can kind of see it. You have like a metal piece, you will see some condensation happening around here and nothing in there. And the machine is at 1 point of temperature, which is great. Perfect for this machine. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings for this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. I'm gonna try to do it with 1 hand. Hopefully I can properly do it and not speed it all over the place. All right, and now we go. I might have used a very fine grind, or maybe not. Beautiful shot of espresso coming out of this machine. Could probably do better, but that's a pretty good one. I'm drinking that one. All right, and now for the steamer. Let me have an empty pitcher of water here, otherwise we're gonna make a mess. And opposite side. It's a little bit hot, so you won't be able to see it, but as you can see, really good pressure, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, La Pavoni Aero Piccola working once again. So thank you for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.